Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. It's Pinkboy time. Like always, XRP Day. Enjoy with us the global future. Hi guys and welcome back to our XRP and crypto update, and it's Friday and I have a good message for all of you guys outside. We are on 203 billion. I was waiting almost for 2 weeks because we had a big pullback almost to 180 billion. Now we by 203. I hope we will continue in the next week because how I said, it's Friday. Mostly Friday, Saturday, Sunday is a kind of steady. XRP 18 cents. Ethereum looks nice, $171, and Bitcoin finally above $7,105. Not so bad. It's a good outlook for the next week and we will see. But I have some really nice news. This means looks like that everything turns in a positive outlook. This is what I really would like to share with you, and I really would start with news. BTC XRP seems ready for another ledge higher over 19 cents, and this alone already looks good for me, and we have much more outlook to present. Ripple is rated recently above 19 cents and 19.10 cents against the US dollar. XRP is currently correction gains, but it's likely to climb back above 19 cents in the near term. Ripple price is showing a lot of positive signs above the 18.4 cents support against the US dollar. A new weekly high informed near 19.35 cents, and the price is currently correcting lower. There is a major bullish trend line forming the support near 18.50 cents and hourly charts of the XRP US paired data source from Kraken. The pair could start a fresh increase as long as it is above 0.185, 0.184 cents. Honestly, I believe we are already in this rankage, so I would say there is a good outlook. And the daily hold is also positive and in good mood with us today. Money Match says Ripple cross-border payment technology cut cost by 14%. Money Match, a Malaysian-based company that enables small and medium-sized enterprises to send cross-border payments to their suppliers, is reporting a 40% reduce in cost since joins Ripple Global Payment Network in April of 2018. This is fantastic and again a positive message what definitely will support XRP. I will not go through this article again because we covered it already before, but the only thing what I try to explain it, we get the entire Southeast Asian market. We have Malaysia, we have Thailand, we have Singapore, we have the Philippines. Philippines, one of the biggest one with the 35 billion US dollar in cross-border transaction per year, and Thailand even bigger with all the overseas employing. We catch the correct market, and I even don't talk about Mexico. Mexico is the biggest corridor, one of the biggest corridor, but I even don't know which one is the #1 worldwide. I cannot tell and I have to make my research, but I believe we are on the right ship. Ripple XRP, the company with their cross-border transaction, we will get so big. This UDL system, our ledger, soon or later the liquidity what we need to push up XRP will come soon or later. We will catch our revenue and the price definitely will increase, but honestly I believe our price rankage right now is between 18, 19 cents, or even probably it will catch in the next coming days 20 cents. Is about this situation what we have right now because of the coronavirus, of the crisis #1, and we are right now in a big recession. The entire economic market worldwide dropped down on 3%, and this is fact. With stock market economically we are 3% down, and you have to make it back first. And I'm pretty sure when we cover all the recession, the entire digital coin market will raise up. I'm absolutely pretty sure. And now we leave Asia because we get a great message from Europe. Bitbox Europe back to the grind. Bitbox Europe's new move on XRP. As months of works of the platform reconstruction is about to conclude, Bitbox Europe, the leading fiat to crypto exchange, is back to grind along with its new move with XRP. The last time the platform hits the market was with the cooperation with the London Stock Exchange Group announced at the end of last year. And this is the benefits what we get from Bitbox Europe. The community is able to trade XRP against Euro, Great British Pound and Schweizer franc on their favorite platform just now. The listing of XRP traders pair to part of the platform continues to initiative of provide fiat trading capacity to high quality blockchain project. It has now tuned its eyes on the breakthrough vintage project of the decade. XRP is following the list. XRP will become the first project to be listed on the new website 2.0, as the platform prefers to call the platform upgrade. This is fantastic news. I love it. If this is not a good outlook for the next coming days, even in this crisis what we are right now, that we can expect good news, is already awesome. I would say this is great. I'm very positive for the next week that XRP and the entire crypto market has the possibility to raise up. So guys, it's Friday. I'm done for today. I hope you all will have a great weekend and I wish you a great health. Anyway, stay home, stay calm. That's it. Please subscribe, please like, and I catch you by my next video. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.